up, y'all? My name is Shani. I want to thank you for clicking on this video.
Like, what you do?
All right, let's hear
The
this.
modern new woman is highly educated and highly ratchet. And she sells bundles and make drug dealer money.
Hey y'all, so my name is Shani and I'm the owner of The Beauty Stash House. I sell lashes and packaging in wholesale, and I'm starting a YouTube series on how to start your business in 30 days. So, if y'all want to figure out how to get to this lash bag, okay, because it's a whole bag out here if you want to start selling lashes, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment down below if you have a business name already. If you don't, well, you clicked on the right video. I'm about to help you out with that. So I have a 30-day lash challenge. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, videos will be uploaded to help you stay on track for the next 30 days to have your lash business up and running, y'all. Okay, this lash business is about to be up, it's about to be running. Before you know it, you're gonna be like me. Maybe you can start your own wholesale business, but we just gotta get started, okay? That's the very first thing. So in this series, I'm gonna be breaking it down into 3 tasks that you need to have done every few days, okay? So today, you had the idea. You want to start a lash business. Where are we starting at? Why do you want to sell lashes? You just trying to make a quick dollar? Like, is this an end to something else? Or are you really passionate about beauty products? You want to have your own business? You got to figure out why you want to sell lashes. Is it a side hustle? Because then you'll know how to invest from here on out, okay? Let me slow it down. So if you see me looking down a lot, I'm going to be looking down at my notebook. I got to get used to this whole recording thing, but y'all, work with me. So the first thing that we are going to talk about today is choosing your name. Every video that I'm going to upload is going to have 3 topics in it. Make sure you grab your pen, a pencil, so you can be able to write these things down. So, you know what I'm saying? You can stay on track with your lash business. Get your notebook. Write this stuff down. It's very important for you to stay organized and get organized in your business. The very first thing you want to find is a name, okay? Please, please, please keep all the minks, blinks, winks. Keep all that out your name, okay? Because at some point in time, you may want to expand your business. You're not going to be able to expand your lash business into other sources. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm saying sources, but you're not going to be able to you're not going to be able to spread your business over into other departments if you just name it one thing. You got to figure out, are you in this for the moment or the long haul, okay? Me personally, I don't want to just sell lashes. Lashes was the easiest thing for me to start selling in wholesale, which is why I started with lashes. I've sold hair, I've sold clothing. I sold just about anything. Anything you can order off Alibaba they got to do with beauty, I have sold it, okay? So my personal reason for naming my business The Beauty Stash House is because I knew I wanted to be a wholesale provider. Also, The Beauty Stash House is something that one of my favorite rappers said. So I love Jeezy, y'all. Jeezy and the 85 South Show will be mentioned a lot, okay? A lot, because they influence me a lot, okay? So that's why I named my business The Beauty Stash House. At this moment, I personally sell lashes and packaging. Next week, I will have, not like y'all know what real time this is, but I will have like jewelry. I'm testing out jewelry now. Know what I'm saying? And I will have jewelry. I have the vendors who I've been working with for the last few months. I've been wearing the jewelry just to see how long it lasts, because I want to make sure I'm giving everyone the best quality for their price, okay? Everything I sell, I personally use. And sometimes that's why I stop selling items, because if I'm personally using them and they're not standing up to my little bougie standards, I don't need to be giving them out to nobody else. So, getting back on topic, choose a name for your business. Choose a name that's something personal to you. You can name it after yourself, but of course, when naming a business after yourself, I want to say that. But name a business after yourself. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You can name your business whatever you want to. Just make sure that you research your business name. Research your business name with is it irs.gov. You want to make sure that this business name is not trademarked, that it's not with your local state, been registered already. Make sure you're doing the smaller searches as far as like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all them good social media sites. You want to make sure that this name has not been taken. Please, 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 once again, stay away from all the blinks, meeks, winks of the lash world, okay? You want your business name to stand out. People always are asking me, like, the Beauty Stash House, like, what is that? Any and everything you need to be beautiful, okay? But I sell it in wholesale for the most part to beauty entrepreneurs. So that's my little spiel on that. The next thing, number 2, y'all. Okay, so when picking your name, you also have to make sure that you are thinking of the overall brand of your business, okay? Me personally, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like to live life like a trap star, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, it's real flashy. Real flashy. Like, you can't tell me I ain't dating a rapper or an NBA, but nah, I mean an NBA player don't be dressed like that. But my brand is on target with the name. First of all, the Beauty Stash House is a trap theme, so I'm a female trap star, okay? Like, no matter what nobody want to say, it might sound crazy, but when you listen to the motivation and everything behind it, it's just to grasp the people who this attracts. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my only mission, to grasp the people that this attracts. If flashiness attracts you, you'll learn something from this business, okay? You're going to learn something from the business. You're going to learn something within the name. But what's going to make you attracted to my business is that I resonate with, you know, whatever flashiness that you got going on, okay? But when you think of my business, I started naming me in this shirt, y'all. I personally was picking names that I use as alter egos, and not also just alter egos, but I was naming my lashes out of like popular hip hop princesses. Like, if you think about it, I had wigs named like Dark Skin Keisha when I sold hair. You know, they were just named after different women in Hollywood who we love. Nunu. Yeah, I don't know Nunu. You know what I'm saying? With a pretty Lauren London played. Like, anything that inspires that look was what I was naming the hairstyles after. So, what type of brand are you going to be running? My brand is building itself into a luxury brand. In this moment, it's starting off what we starting off at, okay? But it will grow into a luxury brand. So, therefore, when I'm taking photos, they're luxury. You want to make sure that I speak for my brand. You know, most of the time when starting your business, you don't have to be the face of your business. For a long time, I personally was not the face of my business. I wasn't doing any promo. I was only selling my items on social media markets like Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, you know, so I didn't need to be a face for my brand. So, number 3, why are you selling this item? What you selling it for? Why are you starting a business, baby? Is it a side hustle? Done had plenty of them. When it comes to side hustles, y'all, you know, you pick it up for a little while and you drop it. So if this is going to be a side hustle for you, I encourage you, please start off small. Do not invest a lot of money into this until you know that it's something that you really, really, really want to do, okay? Once you realize it's something that you want to do and you have your reasons as to why, it helps you so much more, because it's days where you don't get orders. There are days where you ain't doing a promo. There's days where you don't feel like doing it. There's days that you don't want to get out that bed. There's days that you got to work, take care of your kids, and do everything else. But you have to understand the reason of why you started this business. I started my wholesale business so I can be able to quit my job and focus on all of the things that I wanted to be able to do within my business to make my business grow, okay? I've been in business for 3 years. I just started selling in wholesale, and that was a complete difference in my business. Yes, I made good money as selling lashes as a small lash company, but it wasn't until I started selling my lashes in wholesale that I realized a significant difference, because when COVID hit, I was no longer able to do the hand-to-hand transactions that I once was doing. But I still had the reason of, hey, I'm quitting my job at this point in time. So no matter what, when COVID hit, I still had to find a reason to make sure I still got up and was able to make sales. Making sales is the smallest part of your business. Making sure that you're consistent in your business is the most important thing. And if you don't have a reason, a good reason as to why, not a cliche, not I want to fire my boss, not I want to be my own boss and have my own time and all this other stuff. I could care less about being my own boss. I've always been a boss in jobs that I've had. Like, even I worked at fast food for a long time. I worked in a dental office. I'm currently working at like an insurance company. And it's either I'm always a manager, assistant manager. Like, being a boss ain't all what it's cracked up to be or what people might think it is. You know what I'm saying? Because being a boss comes with a lot of responsibility that some people just honestly are not ready for. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna recap this video, because if not, I'm gonna just sit here and talk. Okay, so within the next few days, you need to take a moment and think about these 3 things. Okay, think about these 3 things. What is your business name? You're gonna do a quick research, make sure it's not registered in your state or with the IRS, make sure it ain't trademarked, IG, Facebook, Instagram, all that. Okay, make sure all that is good. 2 is gonna be, what type of brand do you want? If you're not sure what branding is, I will have a couple more videos about that. But in the meantime, you know what I'm saying, it's either luxury or affordable. Do you want a brand, when you think of a luxury brand, Louis Vuitton, affordable, Walmart, everybody can shop there. You have to decide on how you want to set your prices. And number 3, okay, number 3 is choose a reason as to why you are starting this business. I really should have made that number 1, but having a reason as to why will make sure that you're going to keep going. Okay, you got to keep going once you get started, baby. We ain't no quitters over here. Okay, so you ain't gonna be able to watch my videos if you're a quitter. I'm believing that we gonna figure out some type of solution to get done what we gotta get done, because we ain't got no time to waste. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a business name with a Facebook or IG already secure, okay, don't be throwing your name down in the comments if it ain't secure, because somebody else might take it. Okay, but if you have a business, a lash business, please put your business name down in the comments below. I do order from small businesses every Saturday, so you could be one of my small businesses that are shouted out in my video. This wig is from a business, it's called Boss NYC Wigs. The girl Taylor, so nice. I ordered from her out of one of the Facebook groups that I'm in. So nice. She responds to all of your messages. You know what I'm saying? You can send her some crazy messages, she's gonna respond. Great time. I will be shouting out small businesses in just about every video that I make. So if you got a small business, make sure, of course you got a small business or you're about to start one watching this, put your business name down in the comments. Okay, put your business name down in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. You need to have these 3 things, because we ain't got time to waste. The next 30 days your business gonna be up and running. Okay, make sure you follow me on IG. I'm gonna put all my stuff up at the end of this video. Follow me on IG. I will follow you back. I post daily motivational tips and, you know what I'm saying, just a whole bunch of craziness to laugh at. I'll see you in my next video. Don't come to me if you're not serious, because I'm going to hype your ass up. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to hear to get you excited.